Now we can make the best recommendation for our user based on their user feature vector and the features of the unrated unseen movies in our database. To do this, we'll use a similarity measure like we described previously. Basically, we'll compute the dot product to measure the similarity between our user and all the remaining unranked movies in our database. The movie with the greatest similarity measure is our top recommendation for our user. The dot product is found by taking the component-wise product across each dimension and adding the results. That is, we multiply the user feature vector component-wise with the movie feature vector for each movie, and then sum row-wise to compute the dot product. This gives us the dot product similarity between our user and each of the 4 movies. We'll use these values to make our recommendations. Because Star Wars has the greatest similarity measure, that will be our top recommendation, followed by The Incredibles, and then The Dark Knight, and lastly, Memento. In the last quiz, we computed this to be the user feature vector for that user. Using this user feature vector, which movie would be our top recommendation for this user? Remember, these are the movie feature vectors for the 3 movies. The answer here is again Star Wars. Do you know what movie to recommend second? To come to that conclusion, we take the dot product of our user feature vector with each movie. We find that Star Wars has the greatest similarity measure, so it's our top recommendation. Next would be Blue, and lastly Shrek.